Okay, so what we have done now, we have done a lot of trial and errors. Then finally we came. We just gave a simple search site linkedin.com/company, then startup, 10 to 5,000 employees, Bangalore, star followers minus venture capital and the private equity firms. And then now only fintech, and which fetches us this many number of results, maybe 84. Now let's see financial services, fintech startups, financial services. Somewhere they would have mentioned now fintech startup also. Let me take it down. That's fine. That's again a fintech, internet. Now here I come. Lack of capital, fintech. Yeah, here it is, fintech, financial and business services, financial services, industry automation. See all details. So fintech companies, legal services, maybe they are helping some fintech companies. Reco, computer software, finding difficult, Flipkart, PhonePe. But otherwise, if you see, all are startups only. Finance, operation, financial industries, yeah, fintech. That's again a fintech. So I'll just take a pause here. Any questions? So maybe fintech.
Shiv, since we haven't done this recording, so I request you to please share these traits as well.
Yeah.
This will be help.
I'll share.
All right, thank you. Yeah, sure.
Anyway, I've taken the note also over here, right? Fintech. Yeah, I've taken the note. Now I'll just share it. Similarly, fintech. Now, anyway, it's recording now. MedTech or medical device or med research or medical tech, or let's say pharmaceuticals.
Yes.
Okay, now MedTech, NISA, Cortis, State of Bavaria, State of Bavaria, India office, invest in Bavaria, pharmaceutical research, health innovation, CO Labs, Medtive, TBI, Remedio. Yeah, these are all again Shravanti AI technology. Again, in a AI, deep learning, machine learning, pharmaceuticals, Biomoneta. Yeah, this again, as a name voice, they are taking more of a medtech startups, healthcare.
Shiv, I have a question here.
Yeah.
Once I need to make this as a a kind of startup or something, so I need to scrape the data only, right?
No,
Just to prepare a report. Yeah.
I didn't get
so
you.
Is there any? I want to ask you if I need to prepare a report on the medtech pharmaceutical startups which are doing good in Bangalore. So how should I convert this into the Excel data? The only way is the scrapper, right?
Yeah, data miner.
Yeah, got it. Fine, thank you.
We have a session in future on a data miner.
Oh, perfect. Makes sense.
These are data miner
tools.
Yeah. These tools, if you see.
Yeah, got it. I can see these Chrome extensions. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. So yeah, we got all the medtech startups now. Now, if you see, as soon as we added healthcare over here, a lot of healthcare startups also started coming. All right. Does this helps?
Yes.
So why are we giving the string before that site colon LinkedIn?
That anywhere we can give. See, unless it is not an exclusion, like minus venture capitalist, unless it is not exclusion, we can give any keywords anywhere. There is no placement of keywords unless it is a minus. So I can use site in the beginning or in the middle or at the last. Anywhere I can use it. It will fetch us the same results. So placement of this particular strings would not make a difference in ordering of the result.
All right.
Okay. So any further questions on this? So on finding a startups, especially. Again, industry I keep changing and we keep getting the list of various startups. So let's see. Food tech. Food tech. Only food tech I mentioned. I don't know what all other alternative word I should mention. Kitchens, cool meals, Miru Fresh, Fresh Menu, Royal Oak, Balaji Media Group, Food tech founder, Food tech. So we might get disconnected in another 10 minutes. Please log in using the same. Monkey Box, Cake Zone, Hunger Box, Food tech company. Yeah. So let's say similarly Food tech or travel tech. Hungry Tripper, MST, Camp Monk, Proverb.
Actually, if you don't use this tech word, then will it work for us?
Yeah, anything.
Okay.
So travel, TOURISM, tourism, travel tech, travel, tourism. What else? Okay, let's keep this much. Holiday. Camp Mark. Yeah, now we got furthermore. Baiju also we got it, though it's a edtech. Somewhere they would have mentioned Augmentation Lab, Yarago, August Company, Orchid, Book My Trainings. So education, edutech. Any other alternate words for education? Learning.
Training.
E-learning.
E-learning.
Yeah.
E-learning, learning, training. Yeah, all those ones.
EdTech. EdTech. Apart from edutech, EdTech.
Yeah, edtech. Yeah, any multiple keywords we can keep playing with. So medtech, edutech, what are the travel and all we added? Travel, TOURISM, tourism, hotel, anything. So yeah, that's about this. Otherwise, logistic, transport and logistics, like Rivigo. Transport, logistic, Train shift lob. Yeah, logistic tech startup, logistics startup, logistic startup, logistic, be organized. Um, movers and packers, in which industry it is? Logistic only, transport.
Yes, Shiv.
So yeah, we get related. Rivigo also is something like that. Parcel now. Yeah, so that's about it. Finding out the list of startup, and then maybe industry we keep changing, as Piyush or you mentioning that how will you capture the data. Maybe like capturing the data, we need a data miner. We have a future session on it, but just to capture the numbers while you prepare up the report in so and so uh, domain, these are the number of startups available in so and so location. All are again based out of Bangalore. We have number of, and then we can pitch in with our hiring managers. Okay, so yeah, that's about this. And then around, we had a question on around. How does that around functions? Uh, so is still someone confused about around? How does this string works?
Yes, Shiv.
Do you want me to take over again?
Just 10-15 minutes of your time. That's it.
Okay,
Yeah, sure.
so let's say site.
Shiv, LinkedIn spelling Shiv.
Hmm. Okay, so if you see now any one particular word from first set and any one particular word from second set. So we might get disconnected in another 4 minutes. So please relog in. So what is this giving us result? Definitely from LinkedIn first. And second use case here, any one word, girl or girls or woman or women's, around 7. So 7 words before or 7 words after. When I say around 7, in and around 7 words of any one word from this set and any one word from this set. That's where we get the list of result. If you see, all the result are basically a diversity results, because they would have done their education from those relevant colleges. So similarly, again, if we go, let's say now, this is just the raw search we have given. So now let's say here we have a location, and after the location, connections. So again, here we have a location, then after the location, connections. Here we have a location, then after the location, connections. So now let's say I just go and add location here. Bank, BANGA. Though we had it Bangalore, but there might be some profiles who would have been there in Bangalore earlier, but no more existing in Bangalore. In title software, in title. Okay, so now we definitely have all the diversity result, but let me see. Okay, Kalyan area. So now this person, though we have given a Bangalore in our search, but now this person, if we see, we got it from the Mumbai. So again, this person again from Noida. This person from Pune. So why are you getting the results when we gave Bangalore? We are getting a results from Pune, or we are getting a results from Noida, or we are getting a results from, because they might be earlier in the Bangalore.
They would have written Bangalore somewhere in their profile.
Exactly. They would have done their education, or they would have been working in a Bangalore earlier. Like earlier, the person was working in a Bangalore, but currently in Pune. So in this use case, what we do is like, again, either you take a particular format of the city like this, otherwise, now Pune, if I say Pune is the first word, Maharashtra second, India third, contact info fourth, 272 fifth, and connection sixth. So that's